We're going to have a look at a couple of sash windows that have a broken pane of glass in them. I'm going to show you how to assess that and remove the sashes, record them and reglaze them. Before we take the sash out, what we want to do is just put a small pencil line that we can rub out later, but just to indicate where the top of that bottom sash is. So there's the pocket. Both of the weights are right at the bottom of the pocket. We just need to fish out the weight closest to the inside of the room, which is the weight for the bottom sash. Is tie one end to the weight. So now we're just going to take the weight all the way to the top, and then because we never want it to get that close to the pulley wheel, so we just let it back a little bit, and then we're going to put a tack in underneath where the staff bead goes. There's a mark for the top of the sash when it's in its closed position. So if we pull the cord tight and put a bit of tape on there where that mark is, that gives us a position for the top of the sash. So we're just lining the bottom of the tape up that we put on earlier. Okay. Then we go in behind that staff bead and then drop it down into place.